What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we have a epic video that we're going to be making. Last time, sorry we didn't get it on camera. We're trying to build a super bike, but I believe so. You should know the bike. I'll send the picture down on the video. We're trying to make this build, and then we've assembled a lot of parts and trying to make it. And for a while now, we'll be getting some materials and building, but not on camera. We really did it off camera. We're going to make some unique parts of the bike. We're trying to focus on the suspension, make the steering, and also mount the engine and make the necessary alignments and some braces. That's what we'll be doing today. It's my co-worker, and together today we're going to be making it. So guys, hope you like it and stick around. Like the video, subscribe, and also comment if you have any idea, any suggestion you think about the engine and about the whole thing we're building today. Don't hesitate, just stick it down in the comment section and then we'll work on it and get you the best. How we is going to go about today building the super suspension and everything we need to build the bike, I don't know, but it's going to be a lot of stress. So what do you think about the whole thing?
The whole thing that we are thinking, we have hope that God will provide a source of income that we go put effort to make the things to be easy for us, because we are expected tank and the other equipment to make the bike to be nice.
Okay, so we have been, sorry I did not say that, we've been expecting a lot of things to put it together to make it professional.
And headline and other things.
Yes, we have a lot to do, but you check on the video, you see what we're going to do today. So without taking much of your time, let's dive right on the video and then start the build. Thank you guys, but please do not leave this video. Always try to subscribe. Let's build it from scratch. We are going to keep building from scratch, and if you have any challenges or if you like want to suggest based on the project we'll be doing, then just feel free to let us know in the comment section. If there's something we can amend or adjust, we're going to look into it. And thank you so much guys.
Yes. Without
you, we can't exist. And don't forget, we'll keep building it from scratch. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
guys, we're able to fix the suspension and then put the front and back. So what we're doing today is we're trying to mount the engine. And I don't know, but this is crazy. But we're all doing very good right now. So we're going to put the engine and then the whole things are okay. So after the engine, we are going to what else?
The back tire.
The back tire. So guys, we're going to put the back tire after we put the engine, and then we're almost done because we already got the suspension working, and also we've got everything perfect. So thank you all guys. So let's keep working and stick together. I'll catch you up the next. Right now we're going to make some braces here because the power of the suspension is a kind of crazy way that it has to pull off from the angle here where that. So we're going to put a brace and make it more strong and stiff. So let's just start working. Thank you guys. Keep watching and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. All right.
Right.